we just did now is a cupped bustier. This is a beautiful pattern. It's a cupped bustier. In case you want to turn it into a cupped corset, it's a simple process. You people, you know that our corset used to have, we have a cut here at the center. Excuse me. All that this thing now. Excel. Sorry guys, my phone was ringing. So on this part now, if I'm using it as a cupped corset, so let me use another marker. So on this part now, I'll use like half of an inch, which we normally do. That half of an inch, I'll mark it and then I'll connect it from this point like this, from this chest line. That's if this one is just extra in case I'm doing, like if I want to turn this to a corset pattern. From here like this, I'll mark it like this to this point like this. I'll mark that 1 inch, and then after marking this 1 inch, I'll check what I have here. Now I have 3 inches. So from this point now, here's what I'm just going to do. Now I'm going to just like make a curve like this. If I want this to be a cupped corset, you understand? So I'll cut this now. I'll just curve this. That's if I want to curve it. If I don't want to curve it, I'll leave it. I'll check what I have here. What I have here is about 3 inches, and then that 3 inches, I'll bring it to this side and then add half of an inch, because our bust is usually fuller on this side. Add half of an inch and then I'll place it here, and then I'll create a curve from this part like this. I'll just like create a curve like this. So this curve now will now serve as my, so once I cut now, so when I'm cutting now, I'll cut here out like this and then cut here out like this. So once I cut here out, I have my corset, round corset, cupped corset. But since this one is not a cupped corset, it's a cupped bustier, so this is what we are going to have. So I'm going to cut that out now. So I'll show you. So you see, so now this is for the yoke. That's if you're adding a yoke. So you can see. So this is for the yoke. If you're adding a yoke. Lillian, you're just coming. We're almost done. We're cutting a cupped bustier. That's what we're cutting, and we are done already. I'm going to show you now that thing that I was explaining to you people after everything. So you can see what we have. So like I said, if you want to turn this to a cupped corset, now the way I explained, like I explained to you now, you are going to cut here like this now. So in another upcoming class, I will show you guys how to, if you want to do a cupped corset. So this is not properly done. It's not looking straight, you understand? So in another upcoming class, I'll show you guys how to, I think maybe next class, I think let's do that now. Next class, which is on Tuesday, I'll show you people how to draft a corset. But we're not going to sew it though, but we'll just draft it, okay? Yes, let's do that. So you can see at the end of the day, this is our cupped bustier. This, like I said, this pattern is the same pattern that you will use if you want to do a cupped corset, and then you adapt it. It is a beautiful pattern. So you can see this is my yoke. I'm just looking for the best way to like place this now. Okay, I think let me place it this way. Like. It's not sitting well. Not sitting well. So let's see. Alright, so guys, we are going to stop our tutorial here for today. So you can see what we've got. You can see.